Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today you can see on the board, this is the additions of mixed fraction. These are mixed fractions. Now I will show you a trick so that you can easily solve it. In that case, this is the trick. So what you have to do, these and these you have to add up. Add. That means 5 and 6, that is 11. Now here the denominator is same, that is 10. So write 10. And here this and this you have to add up. 4 plus 3 is 7. So this is the trick. This is the answer. But if I'm going to simplify it, so this is the trick. But basic method. Basic, you should know the basic also. Basic method. You should know the basic also. So if I take 2 1 by 5, so if we simplify, 5 to is 10 plus 11, 11 by 5. This one we can write, 2 plus 1 by 5. This is also you will get 11 by 5. So this expression we can write in that way. 2 1 by 5 we can write 2 plus 1 by 5. Now I am going to solve this one by this method, basic method. I will solve it. Now check this one. 5 3 by 10 plus 6 is to 4 by 10. This is called 5 is to 3 by 10, 6 is to 4 by 10. If I going to solve it, this one we can write 5 plus 3 over 10. This one we can write 6 plus 4 over 10. 6 plus 5 is 11. If I am going to add this one, 10, 3 plus 4, that is 7. So 11 plus 7 by 10 means 11 is to 7 over 10. So we got the same result. This and this, we got the same result. This is the trick and this is the basic method. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Here I have taken another example, that is the additions of mixed fraction. But here the difference is that here the denominator are not same. In the previous video, previous examples, we had taken the denominator same, but here the denominator is not the same. So what we need to do, we have to make the denominator same. Here is 10. If we multiply by 2, it will be 10. So in the numerator also you have to multiply by 2. Now the denominator will be same. 5 is to 2 by 10 plus 7 is to 3 over 10. Now if I'm going to apply the trick, so you have to add these two numbers, that is 7 plus 5, 12. Since the denominator is same, write the same thing here, 10. Now you have to add these two. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So if we cancel it, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So answer will be 12. 12 is to 1 over 2. That is the answer. This is the trick to find out the additions of mixed fractions. So thank you for watching.